guys, how are you? It's Goli. Welcome to another session for web hacking from the Natas series. So till here, last session we saw Natas 0 till 6, and today we wanna go further. So as you see, it's just a Natas 6 URL, and here we wanna continue. So as always, you can see here we have some that we should input. We should write the input. Let's say Goli, and yeah, we will see wrong secret. Yeah, you can see so we don't have the secret, so we should find our secret, and then I think we will get the password for Natas 7. Same as always, let's go to page source. So here you can see nothing interesting for us. As you know, we should always look for body, because here it's written nothing to do with the level, so head the tag usually doesn't help us. And there's also here view source code, so basically it means the server side code. And when we put something in the input, this code will be executed in the server side and check if our password is true or not. Okay, let's see what we have here. It's a PHP in HTML. Here we have a form, which is this. Here, place for input. Again, yeah, you can see here. Let's read the code. It's written include a file. So probably our password is here. And then it says, okay, if array key exists, submit posted. It means if a user pressed the submit button and then come to this level, and if the password which user entered is equal to the password, print access granted. And this one, the password input, this is the password which user enters. It comes from here actually. And I think, yeah, because it's not a 6, so the first solution is, let's check this file. So we will just copy here. So most probably this is the answer of this challenge. Just we copy it, and instead of index.html, includes, and then view page source. Yes, it was so easy because we are just in level 6, so there's nothing really hard. So we just copied this, and then we put it here. Submit query. This is the password for Natas 7. Let's go to Natas 7. So basically, the problem with this web server is that usually it was a config problem, and the user mustn't have access to those directories. Okay, let's go to Natas 7. Natas 7, just the password. No, don't save it. Then home. This is the front page. About. This is the about page. Yeah, that's a lot of information here. Okay, let's check the page source. What we have here, just 2 links, 2 A tags in HTML, basically nothing important. And also, hint. Sorry, I didn't see this hint. Password for web user, Natas 8 is there. Okay, we will just copy this. So probably we should find a solution, find a way to access this file. Okay, here. Home, about. So probably it won't work like this. Yes, for sure it shouldn't go. Again, home. about, okay, I just know a little bit PHP. I'm not a PHP programmer at all. I just 1 hour I just watched 1 hour video. So here you can see it's written index PHP, and when you have a question mark, it means that we want to send a parameter, send something to the server. So here when we click on home, you can see here we will send home page. When we say about, we will send about page. So if we send this, I think we can send tell the server we need this page. Yes, here you can see we just again the same problem, same configs problem which the web server had. And yes, basically we will do this again. So all of them are almost the same problem. So you have the user mustn't have the access to these kind of files on the server. And let's go to Natas 8. Natas 8. What happened? Here page source. So this is Natas 8. Control C, and here Control here, Control C, and again we should go Natas 8. Natas 8. See here, I found my mistake. Let me tell you as well. Page source here. Just we will copy this and then we will change the last one. Now I copy it like this, so you can see here after E there is one space, so that's why it had problem. We couldn't get it. We have to just copy it after E. See, like this. Now we will copy it and we will go to Natas 8. Natas 8. I hope this works. Otherwise, I don't know, but I think, yeah, you can see here Natas 8. Yeah, there was a mistake from my side, so just really keep in mind. So I just copy one space more, so which leads to that's error. So basically I think it's it's enough for today. We solved Natas till Natas 6 and 7. Next session we will solve Natas 8. So take care, goodbye.